Alright, I've done a pretty basic framing repair. I've used joist hangers. That one is sitting on the foundation. This one is also sitting on the foundation. And so then you see how much this has sagged. That's more than an inch and a half of settlement there. Since we're not using this as a permanent jack, we're just got a piece of brick down there. We have this post set on about its shortest setting, and we can screw it up with a big wrench. Here's our big wrench, and a board, and we are in place. We had to slide our hanger in there before we got it too tight. We figured that out for trial and error. Now we screw that in, and our floor will be more level than it has been in a very long time. But it'll be a lot easier to sister up to now that it's in the right place. We are not going to cut it out because that's going to actually weaken it because it's not rotten. We've got other really good support in this floor now, so I'm not too worried, and we may just use this post over there is the plan with that puppy there. So maybe I'll bring it back if I'm doing that. The other thing is I might use it in the other room where there's the cracked beams that are not sistered. We'll see how it goes. This is going good. This is going really good. Our wire is pulled out of the wall, and we'll figure out how to fix that at a later date with an electrician. Everybody knows that that's happening, so there's not nearly so much danger as hidden broken wires are way more dangerous. We can lay plywood on top of that and go to town. That edge right there, I'll need to put a nailer at the top so that the boards, can sit on it, and probably one at the door as well. But that's no big deal. We still need to take up plywood here and replace it. Things are coming along really well, and I'd love to get out into the garage and work on some automotive stuff, but we've got rain today, and a lot of my stuff is outdoors, so this is what we do. We have hot water till the electrician gets here, and we have what's starting to look like a level floor. Okay, I don't know how much I'm going to bring you back. I don't know that there's anything I can teach you. Maybe if there's something else interesting, I will. But this may be the last video in this series. If you're really interested in some part of what I'm doing to put this all back together, let me know. But otherwise, we are going to move on to other projects. So thank you for watching this venture and giving me strength and support through the difficult times. But know that I have floor again. Thanks for watching.